Hello.
Oh,
Hi. Hi, Jimin. This is Teacher Anna.
oh,
Yes. Hello, Jimin. This is Teacher Anna. Welcome to our English class. How are you, Jimin?
I'm happy.
Me too. I'm feeling great. Are you ready for our English class?
Yes.
Okay, let me share your book, okay?
Mm,
Can you see your book, Jimin?
mm,
So,
yes.
just wait for a second. We need to go and browse until we find our lesson. Are you done eating your Are you done eating your dinner, Jimin?
Yes.
Oh, that's nice. What did you eat for dinner?
Mm, mm, um,
Do you know what you eat for dinner?
mm, mm,
Oh, that's fine. That's fine. We'll talk about that
sushi.
later. Okay?
Okay.
Okay. Oh, this one. This one is our lesson, Jimin. You need to look here, okay?
Okay.
Okay, so it's all about floating water. Do you remember, Jimin? Can you read this for me? Floating water.
Floating water.
Yes, and we also learned these words. Let's read these words again, and then I'll help you review these words, okay? We need to review these words
Mm,
because it's been a while since we have our last class. Jimin, what is number one?
mm, uh, Float.
Float. Very good. Float. So, float means this. Can you say it? To stay.
Mm, okay. To stay on the surface of a lake.
Okay, to stay on the surface of a liquid. Like when you swim or in the pool, you can float there. Now, let's go and try the next one here. Okay?
Okay.
Okay, how about number two? Can you help me with number two?
Mm, mm,
Number two is
mm, if
effort.
if effort.
Okay, so when we say effort, this means what? You do a serious attempt. Can you say it? A serious attempt.
A serious attempt.
Okay, that's when you do effort. Okay, you do it with full energy because you like it. So it's an effort. How about number three? We have
Mm, mm,
dense.
then
Okay, dense means it is heavy. Can you say it? Heavy, crowded.
happy birthday.
Okay, it means that it's very heavy, it's dense. How about number four? What is number four?
We we weightless.
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 Very good. So when we say weightless, it means
Weightless is
having no weight.
having no weight.
Okay, how about number 5? Identical.
Identical.
So identical means
Identical means exactly
exactly.
exactly
Exactly the same.
exactly the same.
Okay, how about here?
Mm, mm,
Okay, how about number 6?
Separate,
Separate. Can you say it?
separate,
Separate.
separate.
When we say separate, it means
Mm,
what? Not
Not join
not join
together.
together. Like they cannot join together. You need to separate them. Separate. How about the next one, Jimin? Here we have fresh. You say it? Fresh.
Fresh.
Okay, fresh means not
Mm,
salty.
Not salty.
Not salty. How about here? The last one we have. What is the next
Flow.
one? Yes, so we have here flow. What is flow? Flow means
Mm,
what is flow, Jimin?
mm, Yes.
What is flow?
Mm, to move in one direction.
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 Okay. Now let's go down here. We're now ready to read the story. So actually, we are done reading some of the parts here, but we will review it together. Okay? So can you please help me read, Jimin?
Mm,
And also please read louder so I can hear you. Jimin,
yes.
let's read now.
Have you ever floated in a pool? It takes some
Effort.
effort floating in salt water is easy,
Though,
though the, the salt makes the water denser. This density makes you more makes your white white
weightless.
waitress waitress so you can can float more easily.
Here
Mm,
is
Here is an experiment
to try.
to try to try at home where two identical
Glasses
identical
with. Mm-hmm.
identical glasses with water. Add 2 tablespoons of dirt to one glass. Mm, Here, salt to 1 glass of water. Here, add a few drops of food coloring to the other glass of water.
Okay. So here, Jimin, in this part, we learned about an experiment. So we will see the difference between fresh water and salt water. So in the experiment, what you need is, oh, sorry, maybe I should draw it like this. You need, oh no, I forgot. I need to, okay, just this one. Okay, can you see this, Jimin?
Yes,
Okay, so these are two identical glasses. They are the same. So what you need to do is you will add water. Okay, so let's go and add some water here. So what you need is to add water like this. We will add water and also water here. Jimin, what do we need to add? We need to add some water. Can you say that?
water.
Again, what do we need to add to the glass?
Huh?
What do we need to add to the glass? We need to add
We need
wa
to one
again. You say
glass
we need to add
with unit add
what's this? We need to add wa
one
what's this?
water.
Again, one more time. We need
We
to add
need add water.
water. Very good. So you have two identical glasses with water in it. So in the first
Not for
water or glass of water, you need to add salt. Jimin, look, what do we add here? What's this? Can you say salt?
salt.
Salt. This is salt. Okay, so in the first water or glass of water, you add 2 tablespoons. We have it here. It says we need to add 2 tablespoons of salt to the first glass of water. And then you need to stir it well. We will stir it, mix it. And then in the second glass of water, we will add what, Jimin? We need to add few drops. Jimin?
Mm,
Hello?
yes.
Jimin, what do we need to add in the second glass of water? We need
Add
to add
2 tablespoons of salt
no,
to
no, no,
1
Jimin, that
glass.
is for the first glass. I'm asking for the second glass.
Uh,
That is for the first
add,
glass. What do we add here?
mm,
What do we add here in
add,
the second glass?
add a few drops of food to the coloring to the other glass of water.
Okay, so we will add here food coloring. Okay, just color. We just added color to the water. So here, the first one, we have salt. Here we have food coloring. Okay, so now let's go and learn the next part of the story. Let's read, Jimin, please. Can you help me
Mm,
read this? Jimin, it's time to
mm,
read.
cover the cover the
The
cover
glass
cover the glass con con
containing
containing containing the colored water with a sheet of paper, then turn the glass upside down and place it on top of the glass containing
containing salt.
salt water. The sheet of paper sheet of paper slowed 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 mm, be between the glasses. Gently pull the paper out from between the glasses. The colored water and the salt water will remain separate.
Okay, so you can see it here, Jimin. I'm drawing it for you. So remember, this is the water with salt, and the other one is the water with just coloring, food coloring, and this is the one with salt. So you need to put a paper, okay? Paper above the first glass, and then you will put the other glass on top of it, okay? So we will see what will happen. Will the salt water go up, or will the fresh water go down? So because the salt water is heavy, it will remain in the bottom because it's very heavy with the salt. And the fresh water will remain on the top of the salt water because it's very light. So when you take out this paper, you can see that the blue or the salt water will stay here. It will stay down here, and the fresh water will remain on top of it because it doesn't have salt, and the salt
So,
separates them. How about here? Let's read the next part. Okay?
okay.
Can you help me, Jimin? Remember?
Remember how salt water has a higher dens- density than fresh water. The fresh water will float on top of the salt
Salt
water.
water.
If you turn the glasses over, the he- he- heavier salt water will now be on top. It will flow down and mix with the colored water.
Okay, so for example, teacher, what will do if I put the fresh water on or the salt water in on top? Okay, for example, we switch. Okay, so we put the what if we put this in the bottom? What will happen, teacher? Will it be the same or will it go up? So for example, if you flip this, okay, Jimin, if you flip the glasses, the heavier water will go here. The blue water will fall down because it has salt and it is heavier than the red water. That's how it works. When it's heavier, it goes down. When it's lighter, it goes up. Okay? Okay. So, Jimin, we have some questions about the story and we need to answer it together. Okay? Hello, Jimin?
Yes.
Okay, let's start with number one. Can you help me with number one?
Mm,
Can you help me with number one, please?
mm. What is the main idea of the passage?
What is the story all about, Jimin? Is it A, B, or C?
B.
Mm-hmm. No, it's at letter B.
Um, C.
It's letter C. Very good. Can you read letter C?
Mm, Salt water is heavier than fresh water.
Very good. Salt water is heavier than fresh water. How about number two? Number two, please. Hello? Can you do number two before we
The
go?
the the weight, 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 weight,
Not weight. It's
the,
not weight.
the density,
Very good. Again, the density
the density
of.
of salt water can make things float.
Very good. How about here? Number 3. Can you help me? If salt water.
If salt water uh, if salt water is on top of fresh water, salt water will float.
Oh, it will flow down because salt water is heavy. Again, one more time. If salt water is. Oh no.
Water, water is on top of fresh water, salt water will flow down.
Flow down. Very good. Now let's go here. Oh, it's already time, Jimin. We will continue with number 4, 5, and 6 next meeting. Okay, will you also use this as a review before we go to our next activity and lesson? Okay?
Okay.
Okay. Okay, Jimin. That's it. That's it for tonight, Jimin. Thank you very much. I hope you learned something from Teacher Anna. Okay? Bye bye and have a great night, Jimin.
Bye bye.
Goodbye. Bye bye.